want to know how I got this dead simple, really natural and easy makeup look, then keep watching. Right, to start off with makeup, I'll be starting with my eyebrows. So I just brush like so. Morphe brush, it's angled. Let me show you. Right? And I fill in all the gaps. Next, I use an angled brush. I got this one from BH Cosmetics. I like to use angled brushes for my eyebrows because it just works with all the arches and the lines, so. Like that. And then I drag the concealer down to be the base for my eyeshadow because it's just easier to do it all in one. So to make it a bit more natural, I leave the front not concealed at the top, but then I would always conceal this part. Just do like that. So it's rounded off. So I'm going to leave this part, but then it's just less cakey. I use this brush to just blend out the base that I did. See how quick that was? Because it's a chubby stick, so it's just quick. I like to take this in the smaller parts of my face. My eyeshadow is dead simple. Because of the yellow undertones, I like to warm up my eyeshadow space with a brown one. You can use bronzer, but I do prefer to use the eyeshadow. It's made so much of a difference already. Okay, see? Use a flat brush like that, and I like to just pack it on the lid. I like to use tweezers so it doesn't get my hands too messy. Right, so now that my eyes are all done, I'll be doing foundation now. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation. Right, so to blend up my foundation, I use the Morphe M439 Buffer Brush. Morphe brushes are just perfect in my opinion. So for concealer, I'm going to go with the LA Pro Girl. When I'm highlighting, I bridge over my nose because like that, because I think it makes my nose pop a bit better. So now to blend it out, I'm going to use the Morphe Concealer Chubby Stick that I used from earlier. Okay, so my favourite part of my makeup is doing my bronzer. Just go crazy and just apply it on my nose as well, just like that. So next I go in with setting powder. My favourite setting powder is a Beauty Bakery one, but unfortunately mine is running out, but it's fine. Whilst the powder is still on my face, I use this time to do my lips. My lip combo is dead simple. I literally just take a dark brown liner and a lip gloss on top, so pretty simple. Right, so after I do my lips, my powder is basically already sunk in, so I'm just going to take this little powder puff just to press it in. I honestly have a bit of a problem with this area. Every time I do my makeup, it's just like the neglected, forgotten about area of my face. So I take this little brush from earlier and I just like to go in. I don't know if it does much, but I hope it does. It might help if I take a little bit more powder and just So I put on quite a lot of powder because I don't really like my highlight to be too bright, but because of that my bronzer has just muted, and we don't like muted bronzer, we like absolutely chaotic bronzer. Okay, so now that I've got my chaotic bronzer back, I'm going to go in with the last step, which is highlight. So I just pop it on my finger, and that way it's easier to control how much you put. Okay, that was the last step of my makeup. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.